Hi there, students. Showcase. A noun, but also a verb. So I'm pretty sure you all know what a showcase is. A display case, a vitrine. Go into a jeweller's shop and he will have showcases with beautiful jewellery inside it. So it's a piece of furniture that holds something and displays it to its best. If you go to a museum as well, you will find showcases with various different objects inside them. They're also safe so that people can't touch them. But we also use to showcase as a verb, meaning to show something to its best advantage. So, for example, when you're doing an exam, the speaking case is an opportunity for you to showcase your brilliant English. You showcase the different structures you know. You can showcase your vocabulary. The writing's exactly the same. This is your opportunity to showcase your abilities in the English language. So to show your English to its best advantage, to display it to the examiners. I guess you could also use the noun in this way. The writing section should be viewed as a showcase for your abilities. So a showcase, a place to display something to its best advantage. So maybe the television station showcased this film because they thought it was very good. They advertised it and they put it at a good time so it was easy for people to see. This venue is a showcase for new musicians. They showcase new musicians. It's a good setting to show them to the public, to display them to their best advantage. The motor show, for example, is where the car industry showcases all its new things, its new products, new cars. The motor show's a wonderful place to showcase a new car. Yeah, in exhibitions, that's where they showcase new products. Maybe a company could hold a convention to showcase their new products. So like that you can see its best qualities, its best features. Okay, and that's the idea of this. The report showcased some really good examples of this in practice. So there are many examples, but they focused on and showed to their best advantage certain cases of people doing this. He showcased his acrobatic abilities in an event at the gymnasium. Or maybe a boxing club has a competition with another club to showcase its up-and-coming boxers. Okay, so to showcase, to show, to display, to let see. My mum is always showcasing pretty young girls, so in the hopes that I will marry one of them. Well, it's only an example. It's a bit late for that now. Okay, so to showcase, one word as well. Let's see, to showcase is a regular verb. They showcased their products. They have showcased the film in the film festival. Okay, and well, the origin is very clear. It's a case or a box that shows things. Yeah, so you find your showcase in your jeweller's or in a museum, but many events are showcases to let people know about the products or the new things in a certain field. So enough. Maybe I've showcased my English a little bit here. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. A showcase to showcase.